Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today's news broadcasts cover three major stories. The court investigation into Dr. Machar, alleged role in the Nazer garrison attack, a big change in Juba city leadership, and shocking report from Nazer County where traders say SPLA-IO soldiers are demanding huge payment from boat on the Subat River. Before we proceed with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's start with our first top story. Investigator detail Machar role in Nazer garrison attack. According to Radio Tamazuch in Juba, the special court hearing against the suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar continued on Monday, October 20, 2025. A lead investigator, Major General Basilio Thomas Wani, testified that Dr. Riek Machar personally gave order to local team who later mobilized the White Army militia for attack on the army base in Nazer County state. Major General Wani told the court that Dr. Riek Machar, who is 75 years old, also failed to stop the killing of surrendered soldiers from the South Sudan People Defense Forces or SSPDF. According to the investigator, a letter dated March 1, 2025 was presented to the court. The letter said to be written by Dr. Machar and instructed county commissioner in Nazer and Wolang to form team including local chief, SPLA members and young men to receive SSPDF badge and safeguard the movement. But the investigators said this same team later turned against the SSPDF garrison and captured it after a heavy attack. The assault reportedly led to several deaths and massive property destruction, according to the investigators. The prosecutor explained that Dr. Riek Machar, as commander-in-chief of the SPLA-IO at that time, had intelligence about the planned attack but didn't issue any order to stop them or protect surrendered troops. During the hearing, the court also saw evidence linking communication between Dr. Machar and the Nazer County Commissioner, James Galwalo, as well as other SPLA-IO commander. Investigators say Machar asked them to convince SSPDF officer to put down their weapon before being evacuated by UN helicopter. But after disarmament, the White Army allegedly took the weapon and killed wounded soldiers, including the garrison commander, General David Major Dak, and his bodyguard. The prosecution further accused Dr. Machar associate of helping organize and fund the attack. Among them, MP Gadwe Lampoch accused of giving out intelligence and helping mobilize youth militia. Second, Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam, charged with leaking military information and planning weapon supplies. Third, Mampal Dor, said to have sent money through mobile transfer to support the attack. Fourth, Camilo Ganmichael, accused of allowing the movement of illegal weapon, and Mading Yakrik, a radio operator, charged with sharing troop movement detail through WhatsApp. Another accused is Dominic Gadgokrik, allegedly circulated a list of SPLA-IO officers promoted after the attack, calling it a reward for victory. Dr. Machar defense lawyer Dr. Gary Raimondo Lege objected several times, calling the prosecution questioned, leading, and unfair, but most objections were rejected by Judge James Alala Deng. Judge Deng then adjourned the case until Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025, saying some of the other accused are still at large. So far, Dr. Machar has not spoken during these sessions, but his team insisted he had no part in the Nazer or Wulang incident, claiming those responsible acted without his knowledge. This case continued to attract public attention both inside and outside South Sudan. Many observers said it could shape the future of South Sudan's political landscape, depending on how the court ruled. Stay with Changfied News. We'll keep following this story closely. Now let us move to our second major headline today: change in the capital leadership. In Juba, in the capital city, Juba, there has been a big shakeup at City Hall. On Friday, the governor of Central Equatoria, State Emmanuel Rabi Mujung, fired Juba mayor and his two deputies after a week of public complaint about poor city services, uncollected garbage, and bad road. In a new decree, the governor removed Mayor Johnson Swaka Ngisak along with his two deputies, Tik Mayadit, who handled administration and finance, and Juma Moses Michael, who oversaw infrastructure and environment. Governor Mujung said the leadership change was necessary to restore order and service delivery in Juba City. A second decree quickly followed, appointing Christopher Sarafino Wani Swaka as the new mayor of Juba City Council. Mr. Wani is not new to the job. He once served as a mayor back in 2014 under Governor Clement Wani Konga and was remembered for introducing the first traffic light in Juba capital. Alongside him, Jennifer Yabula Suba became deputy mayor for administration and finance. Lual Deng Joseph Deng is now deputy mayor for social service, and Stephen Lumude Martin takes charge of environment and waste management. In a separate decree, former Mayor Johnson Swaka Ngisak has been reassigned as a senior technical advisor at the State Ministry of Local Government and Law Enforcement. Observers say that this reshuffle marked the end of Tik Mayadit's long service in city administration. He is a cousin of President Salva Kiir Mayardit and has held multiple deputy mayor role in the past. This is the first time he has not been moved to another office. The people of Juba are watching closely to see if the new team can bring real change. Many citizens have voiced concern about rising living costs, bad waste management, and flooding during the rainy season. The Changfied News team will continue monitoring how Mayor Christopher Wani and his deputies plan to clean up and improve the city. Now let us turn our attention north to Upper Nile State, where new reports of extortion along the Sobat River are raising alarm. This is our third top story. SPLIO forces accused of detaining civilian boat and demanding money. According to iRadio report, authorities in Nazer County, Upper Nile State, have accused SPLIO soldier of blocking civilian boat and demanding large sum of money for their release. According to Nazer County Commissioner James Gadwe Juak, several boats traveling from Machar in Nazer County toward Malakal were stopped in Yakwach, an area under SPLIO control in Nirol County, Jonglei State. The commissioner told iRadio on Monday that, which is today, October 20, that the soldier detained the boat, jailed their driver and traders for 4 days, and demanded about $4,000 for release. He said the trader had already paid local tax in Mandang and Nazer County before, Mandang of Nazer, before continuing their journey. But when they reached Yakwach, another SPLIO group stopped them again, saying they must pay new fees. The soldier allegedly told them that even more payment would be required at the Payam level. This raising the total to over $5,000. Commissioner Gadwe said among those stranded are women, children, and sick patients who were traveling to Malakal for medical care. He described their situation as very painful and dangerous, with both unable to continue their journey because of the blockade. The commissioner said, I got a message that one boat was finally released, but many others are still held in Yakwach. The soldiers don't want any boat to reach Malakal because they believe traders there will benefit. He appealed to the SPLIO leadership to stop their force from blocking civilian boats and to allow free movement of people and goods along the Sobat River. iRadio said it could not independently confirm this story, and SPLIO officials have not yet commented on the allegation. Incident like this, if confirmed, could affect trade and humanitarian movement along the Sobat River, one of the most important transport routes in the Upper Nile and Jonglei is Sobat River. Observer warned that such action, if not controlled, could worsen tension between local authorities and the SPLIO command. And that brings us to the end of today's major stories on Changfied News. Justin Banaling Wasame Banaraj Katin Konalat Korodian Re which South Sudan. To conquer report Nitisha verify to Banaling Kajan Lerame Banalinga. John Yam Banaling Wasame Banaraj Commandant and showed a lot Re which Juba Guadadan and locate Dr. Machar and Wale Banjome Banjalinkel. Kan kono nyami jirami jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel go region ujindiri channel there support there subscribe ka there notification bell there trying ko beler to cha verify to take a lot because chwalinga gwasame bana je toka leran yam do be cha Dr. Machar chaja going ka je man banling gwasame katin chalat ka ko chikatin kon babulatrar miti ka comment yo bi shu garpin gwasamo so balantin kon alat gwasame ko ngai kon en kir regime Sugar Rodian Mat Kele Lola Kana go no we can document char we can go. So Chanamandan Le Rod Guards and Manika Dobrana Chalat Kaja Chanajaman Lim the Konquen Kel. Guazame Chaladone, she special court in Tere Wiki Juba. She can first by President Dr. Machar and Chawi Querkade and Wale Kajen J Ladame, she can talk Kami Lukene, you know. Lugan chato katam kakwi Dr. Machar and Wale. La Ramadan la lead investigator ki Ramadan and Tish kagonya Dr. Machar kan jukware. Jen Shwale Major General Basilio Thomas. Basilio Thomas jen characha testify kakwi Dr. Machar. Chajode chajelat along. Chelada wonena. Ajeni Dr. Machar Ramadan and Kungwen Kuga mobilize. Ajeni Jen top order, Ajeni Machar Jen top order, and Major General Basilio Thomas Jajelat Court and Wale. Ajeni Woba Garrison enter which Nazer no Baja attack key base dung SSPDF enter which Nazer Kapanal Ajeni Dr. Machar. Major General Basilio Thomas Wani che gilok che ga jogo no ne na Dr. Machar Ramadan and let rig diality Jerry Machar take room the Jan Baru the DH na jen point de jeni shireng Machar che fail ko ba kore dan ba ja capchom tai na ke jeni tai dan na ke SSPD gwa de shi ka surrender ten jeni kan Dr. Machar can just stop ko dong the SSPD up de kapal ko chikan la dun ko ko no shi SSPD up shi ka surrender kan wer why army ka jo Machalat gwa se me jen gudu me shale basila mene chela do ne jeni ka war gam cha gor no ka pai diok changa kel ka pai diok ron kin dang ro jan dang ro wi de DH no la war gam chala niam court ken wale lo niam ne dialogue ke jam chela do ne jenen re war ga kan mo ci Dr. Machar no South County Commissioner la kweren kam Nazer ken wolang kan kwere kab wolang anu de kan rodin reale ka she la no de shift ke kwarwich ke GSP la yo members no ka ne de kon la ngene nuore la nuore wayami de kan SSPDF ne ken kon be de kan ko received no ko de mala me de jalat ki de ne de kon de te rai wich te cha te je rodin ga rai torbieli no de ka kamrat dundo shirama me mishal basila che nyola de wonene en team ye da ne cha kwan ka goni man gonya Dr. Machar ka jen ajana team me jen chile je no she can we SSPDF garrison can we da ko can we kapone jo da na chalat ajane na me kelu tet ka Dr. Machar ko ken team de no kana jo control ka jaram dana gorwal gano de investigation de lat ne katin kone kwan teten wer wayam netin kate ne te GSP la yo members te katin kate kwartin ne dial te katin chi basila me goin Dr. Machar chela do ne jen Dr. Machar jela commander in chief ka kuma SP la yo ka jen gwade dan jaram dana ngeti dial ka jaram dana te ka planin wo ba bar dial ti bakhalat bele Dr. Machar jen re Machar ajene mu mekana ne ka kana kalon ko dare ka control ne no ka jen che warga gore che ne ga che ka kwan che norwa ya mi che ka kwan che GSP la yo che ka kwan la SPL ayo members che shift che ka kwan ka che ne to wan che kwan ko be ken SSPD be ken receive an walla ka jo dan en chalad milingene me bel kare Machar no re Machar mu kan na kana kalon ko dare ka logo na ka kore dan chi to ka Nazer mai kon di al hien changanya chicken to ko kien chicken nyok kamlat ken ka take evident jidin chicken kano la rocha kam Dr. Machar ken Nazer County Commissioner Alaji Ms Galwalo ken SPLIO commander she would shall come General Basilo chela do ne General Machar charai keneka charai ke kenetin kontila ne kare wichin binemi en wonene kwa SSPD kwa ko convince jo kan o kan kalan mapin eno gwade dani to meje kol meje to shiga Dr. Machar kan gwanye no GSSPDF kalan maken pin bunwar wayami bikan kapal biga barar eno ba helicopter dum UN ba jak kaba Dr. Machar no ne ti ko ne akwanya Dr. Machar bikan we ba general major kan ne ko kien tila deni bikan ka kan bikan kanang ka Juba ajen jo dane chalat ki man chaladan wale no jene en gwasa mo me chana mo realika no bi SSPD abu me ken la pin ka jo me chekan la no la den Machar wa wena mo shu ko yu to gon wena mo ka chwa General David Majudak chwa yu nakten wena mo ka chi General David Majudak che me ke chaka queen pin already ka jo ran ji kanalat kani Dr. Machar kan ne te ko kien kan ne ten konan te katet ne di kan kalat gwasmen go chari giti chagalat shi kan members of parliament gado lampoch ti kana gwai ano Ramadan and top Larry ake Ramadan and ko ngwen ku ka mobilize we can Nazer no ya dake base chicken Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam chicken nyoko machai kene general HL che tani military information che katup ano kacha meche katup jenna mo ke liwo Ramadan let mission mo ke Ramadan en len ngwane Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam charge no ano jene she lik she ta ni nying deka jaga kamne ko ntila nurwayami nyok chicken mam pal dur chicken nyok mo going kene lat ken no mam pal dur jen che yo chaga jak ke mobile transfer no chaga jak ne ko lan wer wayami ko ba kur mo ba jo ter wer wayami jo me e gon ke chak mi kan lat sike kamilo gan Michael chikan nyok mo gon kana ano jen che match chaka jako nanga ke illegal weapon chaka ala ko ba kanang ke ba ka jal ko do mi chajen na mo charge mi kana to chikan mading yakrik ba chikan le gon baram dan la radio operator an wojen ite ke teacher nyakel ka do badan en jel ke dini che ke to ke whatsapp kana all those information chaka kam ner wai ami ram da diana chanyo ko mo goin ka gwase me Dominic gat gokrik ajen wa ramadan te ke SPLIO list officer teacher promote eko kwa ka le reward ke victory medana chitwo ka jo dana shalat gwase me ni keden konen chicken da kuma char chicken goin ka je kan ni konte la jikwara ka da kuma cha lawyer Dr. Gary Raimondo ka jo machala jene watch object ke chaka lokatin kon lat ke several time che ke jogo not let jen ga to chike chung to ton kanish can fair evident to tell tar ke te shigo a shangna men chona no dare kuma SPLIO dare je defend ke da kuma char kan je kware che judge James Alela che ke reject and when a man do no tele ruling michalatin che chularno and look baje nyok mu kwaje continue ka shanga jandang rawida ro ka pai wel ronkin dang ro jandang rawida die ala chanka diok molka chicken jo me chicken lati dial ko na chalat gwasme chwa look chwa yo kapchong ko cha gadi cha ka gwan janam dan shaling gwasme ni Dr. Machar ne ko gwase dan e lwaine dialtin no men shuman walle ngode telemission lar kanan no great no kanan no great do no kwaje depend long anaton wan no jen me dane lero da kana sir tele titten no ko jen che order che to bulo de ko de japal ban ngai ke je amani kirmi yadi no nwer wai ami atele dakhma cha tele je control kake de langne ka shimawo dongde dakhma cha dare kem ka shirme sha chunen eno chukorche tuok anyo korchi jen chang makora da korchi ora la ne ka diok eno be korba tuok so me jak case me ko ba la mu bum ring ma cha chere mangai kondiale gwain ke je ke kap ko je ko jen rami momi la nuar ke rami momi la kwera SPLIO kan SPLIO te kare win woje dan ka penal so nyok kana do be dan e chewon ge jen odere kor me dere je kap chung ke jen war ga sha ling gwat mo wagwe ke jen ode rwa de je ling che kor che de woni am jen do be dan bel kan da ma char ke jen do dan gor kan ode kare ma char de kan yen ke je ka do be dan lo ke lu ke je so en ke de sha ling baje rep molka ka chanya dang rewi de ro ka pai wel ron kin dang ro wi de jandang rewi de dik akan kono ni ami jira mi jidit gwasa me gore jen wojin bi channel bi support Changfied YouTube channel ka bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi twan komite mi shi bare ba shwamala shi bi kaje bana wo ka ler do dien very important topic mo content Juba shi garudin kwen new mayor ki kwarwich no mayor mo kwen pai kwen bana jelin kel kajan Friday and 5 governor of Central Equatorial State Emmanuel Rabi Mujung she mayor shaje watch shaje fire kana deputy ne ka dangro wala kwar ka dangro che ka George Kandial do badana joje ka gwasa me wajen china chika complain wa neten kontin la kwar wa kan chicken we chicken ya leka shirga mangai kono no we gore yech we gore ya leka de jaga clean kana de kono sha we by the way kana de kan mo no wal ke very important people tandien ka jimar ka ken ma yadi ne di ci jainten neten content cha we kantin no cha Johnson Swaka misak cha jawuch no kana deputy ne ka dangro wudo dien mi chale tik tik ma yadi lo mara kene kir wudo me cha jawuch 6 point jaram dan la administration and finance kajuma Moses Michael jaram dan dong la dul kieta dan the environment de la keje kene to tola tenon dindo governor majung chala do nene jando badana ger keke o gor ke jeno ba service ba je deliver ke ba ka to gwa ko che te ka gap we charge ye wa we charge ke kwa ti je dia le ten to goro de reale ka so kan wuda me kan reale kana ka reale ka ka jo chalat gwasame wacha Christopher Safarino wani swaka taja kwanya la new mayor of Juba City Council Mr. Wani wachi rame jidit ka jen la da me cha kamela mayor wajen che jenten che kon let ke tuntin dangro welngwan jen chelere law mayor under Governor Clement wani konga ka jo dana chalat gwasmene anono awa jen dana to nyoko wajen bo chelere long so gege jeno be Juba be je transform nere ko kene cha kwan Jennifer Yabula Suba cha kwan deputy mayor for administration and finance Lwal Joseph Dengbo rami pai kwan bo la deputy mayor for social service ke Stephen Lumudu Martin ajiram dana bete ka charge ke environment kene waste management ta dana yak kwa ka je teacher den lottery which so na me ajana dana le roda mana dien biya kula ngai go me very important would shall ka me tik ma yadit jen cha janya long ka city administration jen gwada anteten jen wa a cousin dung president self ke me yadit wa jen cha let gwan tun wala long ka deputy mayor role ka korgwa te shiwa wana me jen the first time no ba jo with katel office do dien me cha kam ko jen cha janten jo me cha lat me gor kono de konaling chana ben before bana worker lera very important me gwa me cha spela yo cha ka gwanten o chicken boni bon te jen rewi kap kam ka Nazer te we kamala kal waji kana kap chongten ka ku kan yo ku kan ga demand ban jom ban jilin ke la kan kono go no jen be subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan committee mi bare ba shamala shube ke je gwasa me ne de kono te ka long ka Nazer County pink kirma yadi capital state shikan kuma spela yo shikan ka gwan no chicken din chicken ka gwanyin wo ikane sha do bi sha je block cha shake point wan cha la dere mi shi boni chicken jal wa kuma spela yo re wichin binmi ka tugire wa ikane gor kan yo to wan long ka goin man dana sha gwan ke a jo ma sha la da me Nazer County Commissioner Ram Jadid wuri sha James Gadwe Juak a jani chi bon to wan chi jian ka matar na wakan Nazer County wakan kamalakal kan boni to toni jaradan wo ke boni tedewe re wichin winimi ko bikan ko ngwak kan yogo ware boni to no wat gar tien tegatin ka jo dana chikana lat gwasamene na me mi chikana lat ka do bana dong de kon link je shi jan wuda me mila commissioner Nazer County commissioner ka jo dana chalat gwasame a janana ajani kan kuma spela yu chicken checkpoint ke blockade ni tukmandi kan lazaderamo gwada da gwata ngwan long anona mijene kama tar baranta mijikan laro kan boni ya kapchong mi chala ya kwach anona ya kwach teni spela yu agente ka control tino Kenyerol County ka Jonglei State shi commissioner James Gadwich che kuma spela yo che ka gwanyin wonena che ka gwanyin wala ka chanya dangro ka pai wala me che la wonena kuma spela yo kan ba ka mo ke $4,000 $4,000 to yuti kin the kudang wan kan ba ka kam ke biken boni biken ko kula release ka jawdan chalat gwasame no shi kana kula gwasang ne ko pinkin ya de jokan kuma spela yo wonena ne de ti de yan ka laude ka wa dundo shi kuma spela yo ka jogo no nena ti check point ngwan te geten ya kwach gwan bien yo yor pin nyok wodun yam ka payam tin kokien ka payam level bangwang bo bia yo ko ken bia ko yor pin we mean and maximum ke total amount dana ba yor pin ka yuti kineti chop ka $US me kan kin dang de $US me kan ga yor pin shala no shi kuma spela yo shi kan ka bin nok chicken go bin nok we commissioner garu cha jo mo cha jalat no ajane kon ten cha kap chong et ga te radian te man radian ne te jibon ke ne te ga jwat te ten to ga malakal yo kan gor no ke dung kawal ajan jo dana chalat ke cha kume spela yo cha je gwan ga jen o ken te ka yo to gor ken ke jo me chalat high radio ka chalat media antin kokien verified information ban ngai kona gwa tam me ala kumen te karere ka kuma spela yo gwan ke jelong mi yen gwen media ando dial ko la roch kanetete cha kuma spele ayo charge no ken michi wulade jen wo beben ka your version ba jigo jen no jin melade mo misleading ke che talk kayo ken dong biga kaj bikana lat, and then from there babu jako belang bala talk reality jene kuma spele ayo telenate chicken ka kapin but Ramadana Commissioner Nazer County Ramadana tikere ko Ramadana goina Ramadana gujo ba weto kuma ko ken la gor kan goten content as pilayo ten ko bikan kulamak bikan go rob kan ngaj so la jekan men kan gat ko dong cha bikan information mishajen bikan ko lo nyoko non kan jen ta do badan and use can all this thing kaja. So jom chidna me gorjen o de yenaling kata dan and charge non kaja. To summarize today top story, in Juba, Dr. Machar court case continue with serious allegation about his command during the Nazer garrison attack. Second, in the capital Juba, mayor and deputies have been replaced as the governor promised to improve city services. And third, an Inapana local official accused SPLIO soldier of detaining civilian boat and demanding thousands of dollars. We will keep following all these stories as they develop. Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel, where we bring you stories that matter in clear and honest way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this report so more people can stay informed. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.